Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Azpen H101 Bluetooth headset. First, here is the packaging. And to open it, take a pen or something sharp and pull it open. Inside the case, you have the headphones, you have the earbuds, you have the charging cord. It is a micro USB charger. And here are the headphones. And they are adjustable to lock down once you put them behind your ear. And then the earbud covers that you just slide on there. And behind this is the user manual. And that is the unboxing of the Azpen H101 Bluetooth headsets. Remember to like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter and view more videos on our YouTube channel. Thank you.